Welcome to AI Archery Results. I am here with my friend from USA who just ate ice cream, so is happy. And she is showing ChatGPT Atlas, as you can see. Can you close the ChatGPT Atlas and use the White House zip code and show me how I do think this Atlas application? So close the about skin with the red
So I'm using this application to search for medical equipment covered by Medicare in a certain area.
Macbeth.
And like in this example, it's going to be a hospital bed. And you'll notice...
So this is zip code of White House.
Yeah, a zip code of a White House for no particular reason. You'll notice that the search shows you sample results. However, none of them have websites. Just addresses, phone numbers, and a list of things that they allegedly carry. And there's a map. You can click on the map, but if you go to any of these listings, you just see address, phone number, and things they allegedly carry.
So you wanted to use agent mode of this browser?
Correct. So what I decided I wanted to do was I wanted to use the agent mode of, that's the old one there.
Create new one. Create new shots in.
Okay. So what I want to do is I want to use the agent mode of Atlas to search the durable medical equipment database on the Medicare website. Go to every link, go to every search for the websites for every supplier near me. Search those websites to ensure that they actually offer beds. And then give me a link to that supplier's website that directly shows me that they do in fact offer beds.
For rental. Beds for rental.
What? Yeah, for rental.
It's a click on the plus and...
So what we're going to do is we're going to go into...
agent mode.
First, the agent mode. Now logged in. So we're going to say...
Can you show the pop-up with not logged in so that it is clear? So we are using logged out, but you can use also logged in if somebody wants. Yeah. Okay. And now you type the prompt.
Yes, I think I will ask it.
What zip code is that for?
Oh, sorry, done. Within 50 miles, 200.
White House.
The White House.
So you open the website, Medicare.gov, and now you selected agent mode, and now you are typing the prompt. Can you read the prompt aloud so that people can understand when you finish?
So within 15 miles of 20001, find me a rental hospital bed from one of these suppliers. Give me a link to the supplier's website where it shows information on their rental beds.
Okay, so go ahead.
Because I found that a lot of these companies don't actually have beds or a way of figuring out if they have beds.
Okay, yeah, because once a bed, you don't want other equipment.
Right, we're combating the misinformation on the Medicare website. So
not enough information or something like that.
Right, and instead of manually searching to see if all these companies have websites, and then if those websites have the information on beds.
Why is it asking you stupid questions though? It worked before.
It did.
Can you share the stuff about there?
So where's my...
Use the current, because you need to use current website.
Yeah,
But
why
we
didn't
already use current website. So,
Yeah.
so tell him use the current website. Why is it asking stupid question? It's not intelligent. So we are using here ChatGPT Atlas, but Claude with Chrome extension can do it also.
I think I broke a dream because the 15 miles is not an option without saying.
It's only 10 or 25.
So you can just like freak out. Okay, it's gonna use 10.
Location. But it went better before, yeah? You see, so it is not deterministic. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work.
Damn.
Okay, he is searching. Capital. So what is the goal? The goal is to get the list of links, shortly speaking, yeah?
Yes. So that I try and can find suppliers that carry hospital beds instead of going to a bunch of websites where they say they carry hospital beds, but there's really no information on renting hospital beds.
Scroll, you have some list, I see. Scroll down under prompt.
Tabs, basically, all this one, choose one.
Only one?
So far, stone.
Somebody taking 25 miles.
Yeah, but me. Done? Done. Ha! That's stop.
Because there's option 25 miles, there will be more. Probably. So it is taking control and doing stuff. I think, in my opinion, you should also try Claude from Anthropic with Chrome extension. It could be maybe more intelligent. It's better to try more options than one, because I think he's a little bit lost. Oh. Did he select? It's 10 miles. Or
in my first prompt is better or if I copy
yes,
it.
your first prompt was more successful.
But did it copy or me say?
Okay. Oh, you see? Now it's automatically selected 25 miles.
Yeah, right. Now I didn't copy the prompt telling you the results.
Okay. You only copied the response,
Yes,
not the prompt. So the prompts can be saved for recall.
Okay, hold on, but
so instead of showing you these, is that like click link for the list? This is very unfriendly for yourself. At least it's here. Give me an ink, not rings. I'm confused.
After searching suppliers West Anglia Railway.
So if it should take supplier, search website, and only give you a link when you get the bed there. So the problem is with prompting that we, because you are more lucky. There are some super pharmacy. So it's working. Okay. Planning the process is agent mode. He is doing thinking himself, searching the web, summarizing evidence, and of course it requires practice. It's automation via agent mode, or we have economic extension in Claude, everything requires practice, but you can achieve anything. You can also automatically fill forms, you can search stuff, and you can find stuff, I can list stuff, and so on. So whatever comes to your mind. But in this case, it is very good use case that shows that how you can save yourself time, that you let the agent or let the AI do it. Finished. Let's go down. Only two. But previously, you have found like 10, yeah?
Different radius, right?
Maybe different radius. Different, yes, different radius and different zip code.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you this is you can open one. Somebody open this super and show what you meant with bets. Yes, and rent house, and there is a rental, and there is a price, hospital bed. So this is what you actually were searching for, yes? Okay.
Evidence that they rent out hospital beds.
So we used the cargo workhouse and stranger range. So maybe this is why the results were not so good as we were planning. But nonetheless, we have showcased how to use. Go back to the main first tab, please. On the right side, you open the sidebar, you prompt about client website, and you get results. Yes? Okay, so thank you for the demonstration. If you have questions, please leave in the comments below. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Yes.
Share with a friend.
Yes.
It needs to find out also overhead.
Or anything else. This is just inspiration for other stuff. Thank you very much.